Task 18V. Open the file that you saved at the end of task 18T. Find all the cars with the sale price of less than £4,000. For these cars, produce labels that have page orientation or portrait, fit to side by side on the page, have a 16-point center aligned heading, special offer at the top of each label, show only the fields make, model, color, S price, years, and extras, sorted into the make and model order. Have your name at the bottom right of each label. Sorry. Now here we have to open the task 18T, and here I have to execute a query whose sale price is less than 4,000. Those records will display on screen. Okay, so I'm going to open here. I'm going to open task 18C, or we can select the cars also. Okay, suppose here is a main table, and from this table we have to find only those cars which having sell price less than 4,000. So S price may be say less than 4,000 pound euro. Now here euros are mentioned, so we will think about euro. Okay, so here we have to find query. Okay, so create a query wizard and a simple query. Now the cars is taken, and what all things we have considered. So all things we have added in a selected field. Click on a next. Click on a next because detail shows every field of every record. And here we are going to store the query having name cars underscore query, and task is 18V. Okay, task is 18V. Okay, so I'm going to save by this name, task 18V. Okay, and I execute here a query, a criteria keeping that S price must be less than 4,000. Okay, so the list will be here as the rate S price is a 4,000, then only those records are displayed on screen. Okay, in this query we have to I save this query, save, and by using this query we can create a labels. Okay, if you want to create a label, then create, and after that you click on a labels. So here a labels are opening. Now mostly select every J8166 because it gives very much space for creating your add your fields as well as the special offer details on offers. You can write your name also. So if you want space, then you select the 99 into 93.1 mm. Number across you have to specify, select 2, because see here it is given that the 16-point center line special offer, and show only the field these sorted into make and model order. And one more thing is that if fit to side by side on the page, so here it is mentioned that fit to side by side on the page. Okay, and page orientation we have to take portrait. Okay, so two things we have to consider here. So here is every J8166 is selected, then we'll click on next. Here Arial, the font weight is light, correct, next. Here we are going to enter the special offer. Okay, then enter here, make, enter model, enter color, enter S price. We don't require their B price, S price. Enter year, enter extras, and don't require the valid. Here we are going to type author name, that is Graham. What we can give the name? What was the name of that author? Just a minute. Graham Brown. Okay. Graham Brown. Okay, so the name is taken Graham Brown. The special offer is taken. Here are number of fields. Now, which field would you like to sort by? So, if you see the task, in task it is mentioned that show only the fields make, model, colors, S price, year and extra sorted into make and model order. Okay, so make and model, these two I have to select, make and model order. Okay, next. Here we have to give the name, that is a label car query task 18V. Modify the label design and click on a finish. So here you can modify this, and this labels cars query task 18V is opened up. Now what we have to do, we have to separate this special offer and these things. Okay, now what we have to do, this special offer, it is given that have a 16 point centrally aligned special offer at the top each label. So 16 point and centrally aligned special offer. So here the special offer is selected and 16 points. So font size will be 16. So we are making here 16 size. Okay, and second thing is it must be aligned at the center. So what we will do, we will align it at the center by using text dash align. Here it is considered as a left, we do it at the center. Okay, now this Graham Brown we have to display at have your name at the bottom right of each label, bottom right. Okay, so right side you have to shift this. Okay, so selected this, and text align is here, and that we have to align at the right side. Okay, so Graham Brown is aligned at the right. Now this points, this much data we have to arrange in a specific manner. Okay, so we'll arrange this in a specific manner. I'll select all first. After selecting this all fields, we can resize it, and here we shift it to just below at the center, and here I'm going to create a one more label. Okay, so this is the make, and this label is just shift upward, and this size of this we have to change, that is the font size is 11, we'll make that 8. Okay, just 9. Okay, so this size we have made, make. I copied this, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, now I'm adjusting the make. Here make is right, here is this model, so we'll change the content inside. Here it is a color, here it is S price, here it is years, and here it is extras. Okay, now we are arranging this properly so that it will look neat and clean. Okay, so here we have make, model, extras are given, special offer is given. Okay, and anything else? There is two side page. We have page orientation is a portrait. Okay, page orientation portrait, and make, model is there, have your name is there. Okay, so everything is completed. Now we'll see the output of this special offer. So we'll click here, click on a print preview, it will display like this. Okay, special offer is there, make, models, price, years, extras are given. Okay, so here you can see all the data. Okay, so this type of labels we can create over here. So I save this, and